What if, right now, Earth suddenly stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? No warning, no countdown. Everything, you, me, the oceans, the air, would be thrown into pure chaos. You see, Earth isn't standing still. It's rotating at a speed of about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator, faster than a bullet train. But we don't feel it, because everything around us, the air, the oceans, even the ground, moves with it. Now imagine that rotation suddenly stops for just 5 seconds. In that very first moment, everything not nailed to the ground keeps moving eastward at 1,670 kilometers per hour. Buildings collapse, cars and trees rip out of the ground, entire cities flattened in seconds. The atmosphere itself would keep spinning, turning the air into a global hurricane faster than any storm humanity has ever seen. In those 5 seconds, the oceans would surge out of their basins, creating tsunamis thousands of meters high. Continents would be swallowed, coastal countries gone. But that's not the end. When the Earth starts rotating again, if it ever could, that motion would cause massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Mountains crumble, fault lines tear apart, and the planet's magnetic field could collapse temporarily, meaning Earth would be unprotected from deadly solar radiation. Those lucky few near the poles, where the spin is slower, might survive for a few moments longer. But without the magnetic field and atmosphere intact, survival wouldn't last long. In short, a 5-second pause would wipe out most of humanity in an instant, resetting Earth into a lifeless, spinning rock, drifting through space. So next time you look at the sky, remember, the only reason you're alive is because our planet never stops moving. Let's hope it never does.